Do you have a relatively new pair of jeans that just don't fit anymore? Well, my friends, scissors is not the option. Let's show you how to alter your pants simply with thread and a heavy-duty Singer sewing machine. Be happy. So my friends, who are you altering the jeans for? Are you altering these one size or two sizes? How much weight have you lost, or have the person you're altering lost? And do you wear the shirts tucked in, or the shirts out? We can do a dart on the inside where it will still feel, you'll still feel a little bump possibly if they're too tight, or if nobody sees your edge of your pants because you always wear a belt and you always wear a shirt. We can do a quick dart on the outside of the pants. So the best way I like to do it, if you've lost a lot of weight, you want to look at your front pocket area where it just looks like another gathering in front of your pocket on either side. Or my friends, we take them, we turn them around, we look at the back pocket. Right by this right here is the perfect place to make the dart. So right above the outside of the blue jean back pocket, we're going to make a dart. Now, do we have that dart on the outside because we wear shirts that are covering it up? Or do we make it on the inside because we want the outside to look smooth and perfect? Well, that's what you have to decide. This individual always wears a belt or a shirt outside of the blue jeans. So we're going to do a dart here. So I'm going to tuck you here into the sewing machine. Hopefully you can see. I am using the heavy duty Singer sewing machine today, and that allows me to do a lot bulkier things than otherwise I could do without it. And if you don't have a button, you can even use the end of your scissors and put it right behind the foot so that it's lifted up to go over the bulk of this. And we're going to go ahead and start our sewing process. Going to knot it as we start. And now when we come up on the ribbing here, it's going to come right up and over it if we lift the back of the foot. So we're coming right up over it. And with any hesitation, we pull the front of the foot down, we stick the scissors underneath, and it's going to come straight on up like it had no problem whatsoever. Now, Wendy, why aren't you cutting these pants and sewing them back together? Well, my friends, you tell me that you'll never gain weight again, and we'll go ahead and cut them and sew them together. But sometimes I like my big girl pants, and I wouldn't put it past the owner of these jeans to want their big boy pants as well. So we're going to give it a dart that's towards the inside, and a dart here. And again, doing it with thread, it is easy to take these right back out. And again, if your sewing machine doesn't want to sew, just push down on the front of the foot, slide your scissors right behind the foot, and it'll give it that lift in the back so it can come straight over. And I am using coordinating thread. Coordinating thread is a very important point to mention because if you're using coordinating thread, it's not going to be as noticeable. See that? Do you see that? Not much, right? Not much at all. And we'll trim those threads closer. But let me take a look and see how these darts look. And this pair of pants actually needs a third dart to fit. So we're going to make it comfortable. Instead of making one near the pocket, we're doing right outside of the pocket area. See where the pocket on the back is? We're doing it right across here. And I'm going to show you, we're coming up instead of down. So you push down, you put the scissors closed right under the back of the foot to just lift it up and have it come straight over. All right, now, with 3 lines of tight stitching across there, do you think you can do every kind of exercise imaginable without popping that seam? I think so, my friends. So I am very excited. Let me see if I can let you see these a little bit bigger to see how major a difference the darts made, at the same time how little of a difference the darts made. I needed 3 darts, or to take them apart to make them much thicker. So what I did was, I'll still pull that thread. I haven't cut that thread short enough. But I have a dart right over, see, right here. And that is going to have a belt around the pockets. Did not alter anything inside with the pocket. And come over to the other one right here. Don't care about the name. Did not interfere with the pocket. So we have that coming right here. Just a little dart and a little dart right here. Very, very simple, my friends. Could we do a major job taking these pants apart, using the serger, fixing them with the serger? Absolutely we could. Do we need to? Absolutely not. I know my big girl pants, they go up and they go down, and it's nice to be able to alter them. And what happens if I have a day where I've eaten too much? I pop right into the restroom. Right, my friends, so what have we done today? We have put 3 darts in the pot, in the pair of pants that we love, 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 or our loved one loves, and we don't want to get rid of. And we've put one right above the back pocket. Look at these incredible pants. I don't want to go out and spend the money to replace these pants. Instead, I'm doing a dart. It does not affect whatsoever the pair of pants that I'm wearing. I need to trim my threads. Look at that. Didn't trim my threads. It does not affect the pair of pants that I'm wearing at all. It makes them tighter. It makes them fit again because I've gained too much weight, or my loved one has. So we're taking these pants, we folded them over. We did a quick little dart. The dart does not affect the pocket. The dart is underneath the belt. It does not show. And again, it does not show. Look at that. Beautiful. Hardly shows at all. And the one in the front that we put a 3rd dart in. Let's find our 3rd dart. Oh, did we do a good job? I can't find my 3rd dart. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. So we have a dart right here. Again, we've used matching thread, so you're not going to see that. The belt goes right over top of it. It's smooth on the inside, does not bother you, just looks like a regular seam. Okay, did not interfere with any of the pockets. We don't need to read a word that's in the back of ourself. And this one over here, I'll trim my threads. But again, I just wanted to show you, you can put the dart on the inside, the dart on the outside. It depends upon the person. Do they wear a shirt that's going to cover up all these darts? Or if they don't, then we can have it on the inside, and that way it will never, ever be seen. So we have our stitches done. Just got to pull my thread. I keep saying pull, I mean trim my threads. And we are done. Pair of pants fixed, ready to wear. You don't have to spend that extra money to have a new pair of jeans. Just keep wearing your same one. And guess what? Okay, you have a seam ripper in your pocketbook, right? I do. I sew all the time. So the one in my purse is actually smaller than this one. It's about that long with a nice little lid. But if you have eaten too much and you say, oh my goodness, my pants are too tight, I'm uncomfortable, you take your seam ripper. See this part right here, the red dot? It will not cut anything. But see this in here, that V inside? That is a knife. That will cut things, and this will cut things. So you take it and you put it right in the bottom of your seam and you rip it up. Or the one on the inside, you take it and you can just put that ball right where you started to stitch, and you can just zip right up those and open that seam, and your pants are going to fit when you're out and about. No worrying about, oh my goodness, I shouldn't have had that second appetizer, blah, blah, blah. So you've got these, or you can put the red ball on the inside here when you're still wearing them. Just push it's going to cut those threads, and you're going to have bigger size pants again. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Fun, fast, makes sense. I hope you will see that it makes sense as well, and you don't need to go shopping for some big girl pants. You just take the seams out, or if you've lost some weight, congratulations, my friends, just make your darts.